Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this mini series we're going to be pulling the engine out of my Mk2 Escort. The old 2 litre was a bit tired. There's a bit of oil on the plugs every time, but it was time to go. There was that many things on it that were different that shouldn't have been on it. It was time to get it out. So right now we're just taking the carb off it. So that's nice and easy. We've just got the air filter off it, the 2 pipes for the heater matrix, throttle cable, fuel lines, and the bolts to the head. My brother was giving me a hand, so he was getting all the nice wee easy jobs. I just wanted to test fit the new carbs. I wasn't sure if they were going to hit the battery or not, but since then I've decided the battery's going to go in the boot anyway. Then we went on to take the rest of the pipes off the bulkhead for the heater matrix. Carbs off. Just got the exhaust manifold take off now. The pipes off, most of them. All of them take off. Gets a wee more clearance and a wee bit easier to take it out. Yeah. New engine there. Ready to go in. Once we got all the bolts out of the manifold, we went to take it out of the way, and for some reason the steering rack was running through the branches of the manifolds. We couldn't actually get it out the way. I'm not sure if it was off a transit or whatever they had at the time. We went on then to remove the bolts from the bell housing of the gearbox, remove the prop shaft, gearbox mount, and we're going to take the engine out on its own. But for some reason the engine didn't really want to come on its own. The sump was off something else as well, more than likely a transit as well, and it was catching on the cross member, and it was also hitting on the bulkhead when we were trying to lift it. You can see us trying to squeeze it off in between flipping bars, but we ended up having to take the sump off it where it was when we lifted the engine, and it was a bit of a pain. So we finally got it out about 1:30 in the morning. Finally my pal came down as well, gives a hand, and he was doing the good camera work here. So anyway, keep a lookout for the next one. Like, subscribe.